all is well everyone. My name is Vaishnavi Agrawal and I am from class 10th Achievers. Today I am going to tell you about what is our environment. Before starting the topic, we should know about what is environment. The physical and the biological world where we live is known as our environment. Environment means the environment includes our physical surroundings like air, soil, human beings, dogs, rivers, lakes, and etc. So, next point comes types of waste. There are two types of waste, biodegradable and non biodegradable. Biodegradable waste are those waste material which can be broken down into non poisonous substance in nature due to the course of time by the action of microorganisms like certain bacteria, fungi, protozoa, for example, fruits, vegetable peels, tea, leaves, flowers, and etc. Second is non biodegradable waste. The waste material which cannot be broken down into non poisonous or harmful substance in nature is called as non biodegradable waste. That some examples are ball pointed pen, synthetic fibers, plastic bags, silver foil, and etc. Next, what do we mean by ecosystem? Ecosystem. An ecosystem is a self-contained unit of living things and their non-living environment. Examples are water, lakes, deserts, forests, oceans, plants, animals, trees, and etc. Here, we can say that most of the ecosystem are natural, but some are artificial, which are made by humans or which are man-made. Examples: gardens, amusement parks, museums, aquarium, agriculture process, and etc. Next are the components of an ecosystem. There are two main components of ecosystem, abiotic and biotic. Abiotic ecosystem is the component of an ecosystem, includes the physical environment like soil and water. Biotic ecosystem is the component of environment or is a community of organisms which is made up of different interdependent population. These are converted into three: producer which are also known as autotrophs, consumer organism which are also known as heterotrophs, and decomposers organism which are also known as saprophytes. Producers are the organism which can prepare their own food from simple inorganic substances like carbohydrates and water by using sunlight energy in the presence of chlorophyll. Example: certain blue-green algae. Consumers are those organisms which consumes food produced by producers are known as consumers. They are also divided into three: herbivorous, carnivorous, and omnivorous. Herbivorous, which eats only plants like dog, cat, goat, cow. Herbivorous, carnivorous, which eats only flesh of the animals like tiger, lion, and omnivorous, which eats both plants also and flesh of the animals also like bear. And the decomposers organisms are those microorganisms which break down the complex organic compounds present in the dead organism like dead plants and animals, and their products like feces, urine, body mass, bones, and etc. are known as decomposers like fungi, bacteria, and etc. Next, here come food chain. The food chain is a food, means the food can be transferred from one organism to another through food chain. Food chain. In simple words, we can say that it is a connection or it is a list of organisms showing who eats whom is called as a food chain. Some examples are trees or small plants will be eaten by deer and deer will be eaten by lion. An example: under the water means aquatic. The flowers which are under the water are eaten by small fishes, which are eaten by large fishes, and which are eaten by means the large fishes are eaten by birds. The birds which can specially go under the water. Next is a food web. A food web is an interconnected food chain operating in an ecosystem which establishes a network of relationship between various species. Is called as a food web. In simple words, we can say the network of large number of food chain existing in an ecosystem is called as a food web. The food web has many intercrosses, linkage among various species present in it. This means that various food chain and in ecosystem or a food web does not play their role alone. It has the part of many organisms, decomposers, producers, light, sunlight, plants, animals, and etc. Next is trophic level. Trophic level means it is a various steps in a food chain which the which the transfer of food takes place are called as trophic level. Here is a pyramid shown that how the trophic level works. Producer. Producer are the small plants and big trees which are eaten by primary consumers like ants, butterflies, insects, and many more. And these primary consumers are eaten by secondary consumers, which are mouse, rat, small flying birds, which are eaten by territory consumers like snake, frog, and these all are eaten by quadratic consumer, which is known as eagle. This and small pyramid shows trophic level. Next, here comes managing a garbage we produce. But before getting that what are the waste, we should know that what is a garbage. Garbage it is the household waste, means the waste which are produced by our houses. But there are some ways or modes waste which can dissolve this. They are recycling, preparation of compost, incineration, landfill, and sewage treatment. By this we can say that by these methods we can save the garbage, means by polluting our air we can save all these things. So this was a small summary or a small note that what do we mean by our environment. Thank you.